is short number 1, both sides. Okay, this is attention stance. Mind, body, and triangle, or a triangle represents the mind, body, and spirit. Salutation represents power and knowledge. Stance. Inward. Inward. Step up. This is called a side cat stance. See the punch coming. Outward.
Outward.
Open. Step. Outward. So when you finish each block, you're in a horse stance. So you're good. All right. Look over this shoulder. Step up into a side cat. Inward block. Upward. Open. This is a reverse twist. Upward.
Upward.
Step up. Downward.
Downward.
Step back. It's actually a forward twist moving away. All right.
Okay.
Downward.
Downward.
Open.
Open.
Step up. Salutation. And we go off the other side. Inward.
Inward.
Step back.
Inward.
Inward. Look over your shoulder. Soft hand. Outward. Open. Outward. Look over your shoulder. Here comes a punch. Go inward. Upward as you step away. Open. Step back. Up.
Upward.
Upward. Look over your shoulder. Step up. Kick is coming. Downward. Downward. Open here. Step up. And bow. Us.
Us.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think now just, I think that got most of it.
Okay, I said it was a reverse twist. It's actually a forward twist. It was just moving away. So that's a forward twist going forward, and that is a forward twist moving away.
Okay.
Okay.